What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Wednesday, September 29th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? What's up, Team Crawford? Appreciate you guys for being here, as always. Alright, so today we're doing the show from the stock exchange. I did have Tendytown up not too long ago, but I just changed it out before the show started because it seems like we had a pretty bad close, pretty weak close. You know, earlier in the day, all the major indexes were in the green, and unfortunately, the Nasdaq goes in the red. The S&P slips down at the end there, so yeah, finishes a neutral day, and I think crypto's in the red too. So yeah, overall, seems like a neutral day. Pretty sideways, so we're doing the show from the stock exchange today. I didn't sell my CEI at $5. I wanted at least $10. Well, Yellow Roller, just don't get too greedy, dude. Not saying it won't keep running, but, you know, eventually you have to sell. Don't get too greedy, man. But congratulations on your gains today. And, I believe Team Crawford is also in CEI. Can't remember, but a few community members are in CEI, so yeah, congratulations to everyone who made tendies on that one today. Alright, so got a great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And no news today, no significant news. So we'll jump right into the analysis. Today we're going to be doing CEI, ATER, so Camber Energy, Aterian, LCID, Lucid, NAKD Brands, NAKD, NAKD, and FAMI. Those are all trending today, top 10. So yeah, we'll get to all of those. We've been discussing most of these past couple of weeks. CEI, ATER, Lucid, and NAKD. We've been discussing a lot. But today we're going to do FAMI. That's a new one. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, guys, I might have to make a quick move here. Well, let me show you guys, let's move on to the plays today. So, yeah, let's start with what I did today, and I might have to make a move here real soon. Because on GROM, this halts at midday, and I was able to get shares at 440, and that went all the way down below $3, and in the aftermarket, it's pumping. It's back up to 4, past 4. Not good. I literally gave up like $800 here because I got a little too greedy. So I got to keep an eye on this. If it goes to 440, I might have to buy out here. Because that would suck. So I was literally up 30%, more than 30%. And this might be a problem. You know what? I'm just going to hold. Because I caught this at like plus 150%. So, yeah, this sucks. This is running up on me right here. I should have covered at 3. Damn. But for now, I'm going to hold. So hopefully this doesn't run up too far on me here, but this is ridiculous. So we'll keep an eye on GROM. But I'm still currently in there. I'm up about 10% right now. But I was up 30%. So yeah, clown on me for not covering earlier. But yeah, just letting you guys know, I might have to live Rainbow Bear here. Team Crawford sold in the 4s, little profit, but trying to stay consistent. Hey, dude. So in the 4s, that's a really good price. So you sold near the top there. So congratulations, man. So yeah, you know, sucks you didn't get more profit, but hey, green is green. Green is good. Yeah, consistent is better. Consistent wins is better than, you know, gambling. So congratulations, man. Dollar Tree stock pumping today. I did see that, but it wasn't really trending, so we're not going to discuss it. But I did see Dollar Tree was pumping. I just left the Dollar General. Lol. I think it's two different things, though, right? Dollar General and Dollar Tree. No, I think it's the same company, actually. I think they got acquired by the same company. So I guess it is the same thing. That's pretty funny. What's up, Mitchell? Appreciate you for being here, as always. Low roller, I had a 495 top on CEI. So, Mitchell, did you sell CEI at 495? Is that what you're saying? Not quite sure what you did there, but I hope you sold at 495. That'd be pretty sick. That would be totally Chad mode, you know, selling the top there. But, hey, just glad to have you here on the show, dude. Welcome back. Today's my 40th birthday. Awesome. Everybody wish Mitchell a happy birthday. "40 years young." So, yeah, dude. So, it sounds like you made some fat tendies today on your 40th birthday. So, yeah, awesome. Happy birthday. Congratulations on your gains. Seems like a really nice day for you today. So, yeah, awesome, dude. Okay, guys. So, yeah, seems like people get a little late to be coming in here, but that's all right. We'll get started anyway. So, yeah, back to this. Let me tell you guys what I did today. So, AUVI, Applied UV Inc. So, this one was trending. This one was running in the pre-market. I shorted this at 9 and covered at 750. I should have covered at 7. I covered a little too early, but covered at 750. So, made some pretty good money there. Not quite 20%, but almost. Over 15%. So, very happy on that one. Now, EM, Smart Share Global. I don't know what the hell this is. I literally shorted this like 20 minutes ago, right before the market closed. Caught it at 430, and now it's down to 390. So I'm already up. It's pretty big there. I'm already up $400, 8%. So I'm planning to cover at 380. So hopefully, that's not that far away. So hopefully I can get that pretty soon. But still holding that one up, pretty big right there. EVH, this one halted midday. I shorted at 31.50 and covered at 30. I could have got 29, but I covered at 30. Didn't go down as much as I wanted it to. But hey, I'll take it. Made a couple $100 there. Can't complain. FBio, Fortress Biotech. This one was running pre-market. I shorted at $4 and covered at 370. So, not quite 10% there, but almost. Made a couple $100 there. Pretty happy with that. Fold, Amicus Therapeutics. I believe I shorted this one at 11. I think I shorted at 11. I can't remember. No. I shorted at 12.50. I believe 12.50, and then I covered at 11, and now it's down to almost 9.50, 9.70 right now. So yeah, it went down a lot more than where I covered it at. So missed out on some tendies there, but still made over 10% there. Very happy. Go. So I shorted this one yesterday, if you guys remember, at 17.50 and covered today at 16.50. So made a couple $100 there. I thought it'd go down more, but unfortunately it did not. Oh well. I'll take it. Then GOVX. I shorted this one live yesterday. Live Rainbow Bearing. If you guys remember, I shorted at $6 and covered today at 480. So made 20% there. Very fat gain. Very happy with that. Although it did come down to 440. It's at 440 right now. I think at one point it came down to 430. So could have made an extra 5% there, but still fat gain. Yeah, 20% on that one. And Grom, like I just said, still holding this one. Fortunately, it is pulling back. It's down to 370 now. So looks like I don't have to be too concerned just yet. But yeah, still holding. Looking to cover tomorrow. I really hope this doesn't run back up on me. Then INM, InMed Pharmaceuticals. This one halted midday. I shorted at, can't remember what I shorted at. It was 2 something. I think like 240, if I remember correctly, 235, and covered at 210. And I was kind of mad about that because I covered too early. I made a little over 10% there, which is good money. But we see it finishes at 180 here, so I could have made a lot more money, 30 cents more. Could have made over 10% more, so missed out on a lot of tendies there, but still made 10%. Very happy. NCNA. So this one was running pre-market, and I shorted pre-market at, I believe, 350. Not 350. I think $3. I think I shorted at $3. Yeah. So I'm up a couple $100 right now. I'm up about 7% here. So I'm still holding. I want to cover this at 260. So looking to cover tomorrow. But yeah, doing pretty well there so far. PALT. So I shorted this one right before market close. I was able to get the shares. I'm in at 850. I wanted this earlier, at 11 plus, but there were no shares. So fortunately, I got shares at 850. And now it's pulling back, and it's at 812 right now. So already printing tendies on that. And last one, SNOA, Sonoma Pharmaceuticals. I shorted this one yesterday, I believe, at 750. And covered today at 650, so made over 10% there. But I should have covered at 6. I could have made 20%, but I got a little too greedy and covered too early. I covered everything too early today. I literally could have made like an extra, probably $1,000 if I didn't cover so early on everything. But better safe than sorry. Took my tendies and secured the gain. So all in all, right now, I probably made over 4K today. 4K. I think I made 3,500 in realized gains, and now I have a couple hundred in unrealized gains. But yeah, really, really great day for me today. Biggest day in a long time, so much needed. I was printing the attendees today. Very happy. So yeah, great day for me today, and I hope you guys did well also. And if you didn't, hope it wasn't too bad. Yeah, lower alert, PALT jump over 130%. Yeah, now it's pulling back, and like I just said, I'm currently short. Put everything in FAMI for a play for tomorrow. Let's see what happens. All right, Mitchell. Well, good luck to you, dude. Pretty risky stuff there. Pretty ape stuff. But I love it. I love it. I just hope it works out. Hope you don't get burned, dude. There we go. Here's for you, Mitchell. So, Mitchell's going Super 8 mode tomorrow. So, let's root for Mitchell. Balls deep. Yeah, really, really balls deep. And I think, you know, the amounts that you put on, you know, you bet some pretty big amounts. So, yeah, go big or go home. Good luck to you, Mitchell. Hope that works out. What's up, Zach? Appreciate you for being here. As always, and for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. Yeah, Team Crawford. It sounds like Mitchell is gonna go YOLO shares on FAMI. Sounds like he's going long. Uh-oh. Grom, GROM, is acting up again. This thing needs to chill out. Oh. Yeah, GRAM. Man, this thing even in the aftermarket is so damn volatile. Look at this. I should have covered at 3. I don't know why I did not cover at 3. I was trying for 250. Got way too greedy. now, I lost like $600 because I was being too greedy. Oh well. I'll just hold. And yeah, EM is now down to 383, so hopefully that hits 380 and I can get a cover there. Already up 10%. You know what? I'm actually going to cover it right here at 385. Not even going to chance it here. Alright, so the order is in. I don't know why it's not going through. But the order is in. So yeah, I'm going to cash EM right now for 10%. Alright, guys. So let's move on to the watch list here. I'm all in already, 32K at 34. Already up a couple racks. Well, alright. Well, first of all, Mitchell, congratulations. I'll give you the J-Pal. So it sounds like you're doing pretty good on that. Yeah, already up a couple racks, so congratulations. Just be very careful, dude. You know, please be careful. That thing is extremely volatile right now, so, you know, when you go all in, very risky play. You could lose a lot of money too, so, may I suggest at least setting a stop loss for your break even at your entry, so at least you're not going to lose any money. If it comes back down, at least you'll get stopped out at break even. Yes, please pray for me. Everyone, please pray for Mitchell. Oh, just got filled. Nice. Yeah, everyone, please pray for Mitchell. He's going Super 8 mode. He needs our support. We got to do the this for you, Team Crawford. Got to do the Dragon Ball Z. Give him your power. Give him your power. Okay, let's move on to the watch list here. So the Dow Jones finishes up 0.26%, the Nasdaq finishes down 0.12%, and the S&P 500 finishes up 0.16%. Yeah, Team Crawford, you like that? Give him your spirit bomb power. Roller wants to know if you're a millionaire, Mitchell. You don't have to answer that, but I think Mitchell does. He is one of the more wealthy community members here. Lost too much in IronNet to get it back. Damn. Wow. You don't have to say how much you lost, but that sucks, Mitchell. So, yeah, I hope you made your money back on CEI, or a good amount of it at least. And yeah, I hope you make money on this play too. Hope you make your money back, dude. Not yet. Right. Yeah, all of us are future millionaires, just not yet. Alright, so, yeah, pretty sideways day. Kind of nasty, because everything was very green, and it just sold off all day, and we had a nasty finish. Very weak close. So this is a little deceiving, because, I see a lot of red here. So I don't know why the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq is in the green, because I see a lot of red. It kind of looks like a bloodbath today, but let's take a look here. So mad at myself for IronNet. Well, yeah, Mitchell. That's how it goes, unfortunately. But, the best education is first-hand education. So it sounds like you got a very expensive education there. So, yeah, that sucks, dude, but, it happens to the best of us. And you come back stronger next time, and, you learn from your mistakes and make sure they never happen again. So, you're still relatively new to trading, so, honestly, up to this point, it's been, a couple of months, and it sounds like you've done pretty impressive so far, overall. So, yeah, don't sweat it, dude. Keep your head up, learn from your mistakes, and keep grinding. You'll make it back. This why I can afford only to spend a few bucks on stock. I can't even afford $5. Oh, I only few $1 to $2. You should YOLO on Dogecoin than FAMI. That may be a better idea. Long term, at least. Yellow Roller. Honestly, crypto is more volatile than stocks. But at least you can hold crypto. With stocks, you can't really hold them unless they're blue chip. So, yeah, benefits and disadvantages to both there. Uh-oh, Grom is back to $4. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. This is crazy. How this thing is holding up at 130%. This is insane. Look at this. Although it looks like it's cup and handling at least, so this is crazy. It was at 3 and it literally comes back to 4. Really? Really? No, I just took and sold my old car sale business and started this in June. Well, honestly, this is probably going to make more money than selling used cars. So yeah, dude, like I said, you're still pretty new at this, and it seems like you're pretty good already, so I wouldn't be too upset, man. I mean, I know it's a lot of money, but yeah, dude, you'll make it back. Just learn from your mistakes, come back stronger. And, ultimately, this makes you into a better trader here. Alright, so let's see what's going on the watch list today. So it looks like our travel stocks are down, airlines and cruises. Apple is up today, 0.65%. One of the few things. Damn, ALF down 13.26%. AMC down 3.92%. ANY down 4.26%. ATER down 12.4%. Nasty. We'll talk about ATER second today after CEI. Alibaba down 3.16%. Nothing new there. This damn stock, Alibaba. BlackBerry down 1.94%. Clover down 5.85%. Damn, Clover's getting wrecked. That's pushing $7 again. Coinbase down 2%. What else we got here? DD down 2.5%. So, yeah, China not looking too good today. Etsy down 3.32%. Express down 2.48%. Fubo down 4.27%. Hey, look, GREE. Oh, yeah, I did see GREE. I think we discussed it in Discord earlier. They did have some news. No, they had a price upgrade. Some hedge fund upgraded them to like $80. No lie, like $78. It was something so ridiculous. $78. That's literally 200% from the current price. More. So yeah, a lot of manipulation going on. Obviously, it was a fake price target. They put it out so the apes would pile in and pump the stock today. They probably wrote it on the way up and shorted it right back down. So yeah, GREE today, that was a great example of hedge fund manipulation right in front of your face. Hope you guys didn't fall for it. We got Robinhood down 3.34%. Cost down 4%. Lyft down 1.59%. Marathon down 6.53%. Nasty. MMAT is down 7.89% today. It was not that bad when I was getting prepared for the show. So, yeah, really bad sell-off there in the end. But we're not gonna discuss that today. There were other stocks that were trending higher than this. We got MicroStrategy down 1.25%. And Naked down 10.45% today, which we'll discuss third, I believe. Yeah, Cruise Line's down, Norwegian Cruise Line down. Netflix up 2.61%. So, there's a bright spot, Netflix and Apple. And NEO's actually up today, pretty interesting. Nikola down 3.37%. Oxygen down 4.48%. We got Palantir down 3.24%. Pretty nasty. Peloton down 2.73%. Ride, Lordstown Motors is up 2.36%. Interesting. Got Riot down 3.53%. Roku down 2.46%. Skills down 6%. We have a YOLO about Skills a little later. Damn, Skills is below 10 again. That sucks. Snapchat down 3.57%. Sundial down 1.49%. SoFi down 6%. Damn. SoFi got wrecked today. SOS down 6.88%. Virgin Galactic down 3.55%. Square down 2.74%. Tilray down 4.47%. Twitter down 3.81%. Uber down 3.18%. Anything else? Wayfair down 2.65%. Wish down 3.62%. Damn, Wish is getting wrecked. That's almost at 550 again. We got Workhorse down 3.85%. And XCLA down 4.12%. So, yeah, XCLA is sub $2 again. Nasty. So, yeah, overall, this is pretty bad. Pretty nasty day for the stock market. This is a lot worse than the indexes would suggest. A lot of red here. And a lot of big red. You know, a lot of double-digit red. So, yeah, this was low-key a bloodbath. Indexes don't do today's price action justice. So, yeah, I'm very grateful I was able to make some fat tennies today. Hope you guys did as well, and if you did not, hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. But yeah, that is the stock market, so let's move on to some crypto now. You should not sold car. Car sale is safer than stock market. Used car business is booming now. That is true. The used car business is booming right now, but there are benefits and disadvantages. You know, at least with stocks, you don't have to worry about inventory, and at least you can sit in your underwear at home in your drawers and trade all day, and not have to deal with people. You should never sold hates. You should never sold car business. He can still do stock while he sells cars. That's true, but he can't necessarily day trade, and he didn't have capital to day trade with. So, you know, don't knock Mitchell. He sounds like he's pretty happy with this decision. So, yeah, let's root for Mitchell here. A time I screw up of the month, I originally bought 36,000 shares of CEI on margin at 94, sold it at 101, made a few bucks, then got into IRNT because my buddy said it can go to 100. Lol, I'm so pissed. Well, first of all, yeah, that's unfortunate. 94? Damn, you got such a great price there, dude. You could have 5x'd up. And yeah, IRNT. Well, in terms of IRNT, in the future, you know, don't listen to anyone, including myself. You know, don't take anything as financial advice. If your friend says it's gonna moon, good chance it's not gonna moon. You know? So always please do your own due diligence. Don't depend on what other people say. So, yeah, that's really unfortunate, dude. Yeah, that's a tough one. That's really tough. Sorry, man, to hear that. That really sucks. But like I said, you know, keep your head up. You know, learn from your mistakes. That's a big expensive lesson. So I'm sure you'll never make the same mistake again. And yeah, dude, don't worry. Don't try not to worry too much about it. You know, at the end of the day, it's just money. I say it's just money, but you can't really think of money in the stock market as like literal dollars. You have to think of it as like tools to earn more money, you know? So you can't really think of it as dollars. Think of it as like kind of like chips at the casino, I guess. Not the greatest analogy, but yeah, you know, money is money. You'll make it back, dude. Don't worry too much about it. That would have been close to 200K, bro. And go. Yeah, that's a tough one. But at least it's you lost on potential gains and not realized losses. Or I think you did take some realized losses. But yeah, dude. Very, very unfortunate. Sorry about that. Sorry to hear that, man, but you'll be alright. You know? At the end of the day, we just have to be grateful that we're able to do this, you know, for a living every single day and make a living at it. So, you know, later on, when you build your bankroll up, 200K isn't going to be like too much money. You know, in the long term, I'm talking like 5-10 years, 200K ain't going to be that much to you. So, yeah, dude, like I said, sorry to hear that, but you'll be alright, man. But thanks for sharing. What's up, Mitchell? Thanks for being here, as always. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, let's move on to crypto. Let's move on to some post-market action, actually, before we get to crypto. So give me a second here. All right, so we have ORN. ORN. I don't know what ORN is. Let's check it out. ORN. Grom is coming back down. That's good. So ORN, Orion Group Holdings. What's up with this? They announced contract awards of nearly $200 million. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But hey, I don't care. It's just PR at the end of the day. So I'm going to try to make a play here. Okay. I'm going to try to get $7 here. I'm going to set my order for $7. So if it hits, then great. But if it doesn't, then oh well. Move on. But yeah, let me put my Rainbow Bear order in right now. This for you guys who like me live Rainbow Bearing. Happy to do it for you guys. Alright. And submit. Boom. So yeah, I got an order in for $7 right here. Let's go. What's going on with FAMI, FAMI? They had some news. Already forgot what it was. Oh, they're gonna acquire a company. They're gonna acquire Zhangbo for 70 million RMB. So yeah, kind of weird because a lot of these plays lately, the acquiring company actually moons, which doesn't make sense because usually the acquired company moons. But for some reason, past couple of days, the acquiring company is mooning. I don't know. But yeah, that would be the reason why FAMI is mooning today. And we'll cover that fifth today. We'll discuss it. Zach, 200K left there. Are you talking about Mitchell? What you talking about? Alright, guys. Let's move on to some crypto here. CEI is still running in the aftermarket here. Pretty cool. Just checking on some other post-market action here. Grom back down at 370. So I need that. NCNA down to 270. Nice, nice, nice. And PALT down to 1816. Is it a buy, FAMI? Probably not right now. Actually. You could argue it could be. I'm not going to say it is. But damn. this kind of does look bullish. In the longer term. Maybe not short term, but this is not a bad price. I'm not going to lie. But we'll get to this a little later. I'm surprised FAMI didn't get delisted. It is under 30 cents for very long. Yeah, low roller. Like I said the other day, I don't think price is too relevant because, if anything, if the SEC really wants to come down on them, they can just reverse split and you know, just inflate their stock price that way. You should have bought FAMI yesterday. Yeah, that would have been great, but how would you know? How would you know to buy it? Alright, guys, let's move on to some crypto here. Let me add ORN to this watch list. So I need ORN back to $7. That would be nice. Alright, let's move on to some crypto here. 1 second, let me Pull that up. I will buy in a little bit. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea, Marvin. I would hold off for right now. It's probably going to pull back a little bit. But, yeah, honestly, longer term doesn't look like such a bad play. I was looking to buy FAMI. We'll sell it when I double my money. What's your entry, low roller? Wait on it. Marvin got a lot of resistance at 40 cents. Yeah, I would have to agree. I would say don't go for it just yet. That'd kind of be FOMO. Probably going to pull back a little bit, so you should be able to get a better price. Doge Pepsi. Yeah, I see that here. Doge Pepsi. DPT. That's up almost 200%. 189%. And then we have Doge back. That's up 183%. All these damn fake Dogecoin. This is ridiculous. You literally just make any coin, you put Doge in it, and it might moon. It's everything now. There's like 10 different Dogecoins. I think more. There's like 20 Dogecoins. I wish I got a better price. What's your entry, Mitchell? Alright, so here's crypto. That is down 1.37% today. So this has not been the greatest week for crypto. Crypto consistently is getting slammed here. But at least today wasn't too bad, you know. Past couple of days, it's been pretty bad. You know, like in the -5s with like double-digit losses. So, yeah, another red day here. Kind of sucks, but all things considered, it could have been a lot worse. You know, this isn't actually too bad. But let's take a look here. So we got Bitcoin down 1.92%. That's back to 41K. Ouch. This was just at 50 not too long ago. Ether down 2.3%. That's back to 2,800. Cardano down 2.33%. Back to 2. XRP pretty sideways. Solana pretty sideways. Polkadot down 1.44%. Dogecoin down 2.08%. Uniswap down 6.86%. Chainlink down 1.1%. Bitcoin Cash down 2.56%. Not too much green here. I see a little bit of green, but really not too much. Let's sort it out here. Yeah, not much green at all. So by far the biggest winners are DYDX, OMG, and LEO. And Binance. Binance did well today. Yeah, Binance is like the only blue chip coin that did well today. And I guess Stellar. But yeah, DYDX, OMG, those are up double digits. The only double digit coins today. And then we have LEO and Binance. Everything else is pretty small after that. Only a handful of green coins today. A lot of red. Let's see the red here. Alright, so this is kind of similar to yesterday. Whereas there's not too much green. Only a handful of green coins. Most coins are red. But the price action wasn't too bad. There's only one double-digit loss here. Which is CELR, Seller Network. I don't know what that is. Looks like it just broke into the top 10, top 100. So that's the only double-digit red. Everything else is in the single digits. So honestly, yeah, this isn't nearly as bad as it looks. So kind of weird, right? The stock market was a lot worse than it looked, and crypto is a lot less nasty than it looks. But yeah, overall, still a red day. So, you guys probably didn't make any money in crypto, but at least you didn't lose too much. Or I hope you guys didn't, at least. So yeah, we got some funny stuff going on in the markets today. But yeah, that is crypto. So, hope you guys made money, and if not, hope it wasn't too bad. And, yeah, we have no articles today, no news, so let's get right into some analysis here. My price is 33.31. 33.30 or 33.71 for FAMI. I think you mean 33 cents, right? Not $33. I think you mean 33 cents. So if that's the case, you're already up pretty big, dude. About 10%. With the potential to go higher, so yeah, congrats, Mitchell, so far. Not a super big gain yet, but that's still pretty good. And a lot of upside potential, so hope that works out for you. Good luck to you guys. FAMI could be next. Why is this running multi-day runner? It could be. It could be the next one. Could be the next CEI. You know, start at like 30-something cents and then moon to $5. It could be. It could be. I hope it is for your guys' sakes. Safe moon pumping today? Why, did Dave Portnoy say something? That's kind of weird. I don't think anyone cares about Safe Moon anymore. Don't know, don't care as long as I get paid. Lol, Wall Street bets idiots left CEI and went ape in this. Yeah, I think CEI is pretty much over. I think it got squeezed today. And yeah, we're now looking for the next target. So this does look like it could be the next one. Or maybe Naked. I got Bitmart Crypto Exchange. No, I don't even know what Bitmart is. Never heard of Bitmart. Alright guys, so before we hop into some analysis, let's just get an updated look here at some post-market action. So CEI still pumping. Grom back down to 362. Nice. ORN looks like it may not go back to 7. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. PLAT down to 808. So, yep. Currently printing on those. And let's let's refresh our scanner here. All right, RGC is mooning. RGC. That I already know what that is. That is regional bioscience. So let's take a look at RGC. Is there any news? No news, no news. Yeah, no news. So, some funny stuff going on here. But I should submit an order here just in case. Siren's coming, guys. My bad. Gonna talk over it. Alright, I'm gonna set an order for 35 on RGC. I don't think it's gonna hit, but you never know. So let me put in this order here. Some live rainbow bearing. $35. Alright, and here goes the order. They don't even have shares, but I set the order to 35, so maybe I'll get it. I doubt it, though. Okay, so let's get to the analysis now. all this red in the market is too much for me. If it wasn't for the OTC heating up, I would be deep in the red. Well, I'm glad you're not, Marvin. But yeah, that's why, and this is not financial advice, but that's why personally I like going cash gang. You know, I don't like holding anything for that long. Most of my money is in cash. I take a position, I make my tendies, I get out. I really don't like how the overall market is going, how that affects my play. So just a suggestion, you know, maybe you might want to go more cash heavy in the future. Bitmart, you can buy all crappy coins. Just put $100. Just put $2 each coin for 50 different coins. A few of them you will strike rich in the long run. So Bitmart sells poop coins. That's what it sounds like. I've never heard of Bitmart, so maybe I'll have to check that out. But yeah, it sounds like it sells a bunch of poop coins. Don't know if is it even legal? I've never heard of that in the U.S. Is it legal in the U.S.? Okay, let's get started here. Cool. So let me just take a drink and we'll get started here. Okay, here is CEI Camber Energy. This finishes at $3.42 today. That is up 6.21%. So yet again, we're talking about this stock, CEI. We've literally been covering this one every single day, almost every single day for the past couple of weeks. This is insane. It squeezed all the way from 33 cents. And today at the high, it hit 485. So massive, massive tendies here if you got in early. And honestly, even I'm pretty surprised that it's been running for so long and that the momentum is still so strong. You know, leave it to the apes. Never underestimate the apes. They kept this one going for a couple weeks here. Very hard task to do. And they kept the momentum alive. And they kept squeezing the stock. So yeah, today, this hits a new all-time high, 485. And 6.21% really doesn't do the price action justice. Great, here comes the siren. See, as soon as we start, now the sirens come. Give me a second, guys. Alright, my apologies. So yeah, 6.21% really doesn't do the price action justice. Because it was much higher at one point. But no specific news or anything to justify this price action today. Just a bunch of ape stuff going on, as it has been the past couple of weeks. So the apes piling in and the shorts getting squeezed out. Now I will say that I do think today was actually the squeeze. Maybe not, but this does look like a typical into a short squeeze here. Pumped up super high, came right back down, So don't be surprised if this starts to reverse pretty soon. Not financial advice. But yeah, up to this point, I've been saying that I think 310 was the top. I said I didn't think that this would go past 310. Yeah, turns out I was wrong. This almost hit $5. So it looks like the possible cup and handle got rejected. The price blew way past 310. So this is no longer a cup and handle, which I've been saying it was in the previous shows. So right now this is sitting on the support of 340, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next level of resistance would be 485, the all-time high, which it hit today. And if it breaks 485, then it's onto the upside, onto uncharted territory, and the market will decide for itself what this stock is worth. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 320, 310, 280, 240, 215, 210, $2, 190, 175, 170, 150, 135. Let's zoom in. Can't even zoom in. And then 125. And there is a bunch of support below 125, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Shouldn't be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 342, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, once this comes back down to 215, if/when this comes back down to 215 to the downside, the channels start to narrow, so expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back down to 215. The RSI is currently at 89, so that is very overbought and very overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 952 million in volume today. Very significant volume, biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, so I've been pretty bearish on this stock. And after today, yeah, so I've been pretty bearish on this stock. It kept on running up, but after today, I'm pretty sure this was the squeeze. I'm pretty sure the squeeze is squoze now. Can't guarantee it, but this has been running for way too long, and it really feels like today, was like the epic ending. So I am still bearish on this stock, especially after today. This run can't keep going on forever. It has to come down eventually, and I would say that it's probably going to come down pretty soon in the short term. So yeah, we no longer have a cup and handle, but it does look like a head and shoulders may start to form pretty soon. So we have a lot of bearish indicators here. High RSI, high volume, possible head and shoulders, and really no bullish indicators. The only thing bullish this stock has going for it is the strong social media sentiment. And the apes, and I will say the apes have been doing a great job at keeping this stock trending and the momentum alive. So, if the apes keep it up, this still can keep on pumping up. This still can keep squeezing. But like I said, this can't last forever. It's going to have to come down eventually, sooner or later. So just be very, very careful, guys. But all that being said, I don't think going long is a good idea at this current price, 342. If you enter here, you're gonna be FOMOing in near the relative top, and for all the reasons I just said, this looks really bearish. So that is very risky. Going long here would be a high risk, high reward play. Could pay off pretty big, like I said, if the apes do continue to squeeze the stock, but I don't think that's looking very likely. So I wouldn't recommend it. If you going long here is pretty much a gamble, not an investment. I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't recommend it, but I'm not going to say don't do it, because this does have potential to keep going higher. So if you guys want to gamble and you understand what you're getting yourself into, then I would say sure, go for it. But personally, I wouldn't do it. And if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play. It is a little risky because, again, maybe the squeeze has not been squeezed yet. The apes are still in here. But now it does seem like a really good time to enter going short, based on the TA at least. Like I said, multiple bearish indicators, no bullish indicators. So just going off the TA, this should pull back in the short term. Can't really say how far it's going to pull back, but this ran up really hard, really fast, so this can come down just as fast. So I would support going short here. You should be able to make a good amount of money. You should be able to make some pretty fat tendies. And again, you could get squeezed out. So there is still risk involved. I would say this is a medium risk, high reward play. And I definitely think it's worth a shot. So, yeah, I think the risk is worth the reward here. I would support going short, not financial advice. So congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today and the past couple of weeks. Consider taking profits, not financial advice. But this is near the high, and it's never a bad idea to lock in the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CEI Camber Energy. What's up, Busy Bone? Thanks for being here, as always. CEI Parabolic halted trading 4 times. Yeah, I was watching it live. Yeah, a lot of to the upside and the downside. I believe it halted upside like 3 times and it halted to the downside 1 or 2 times. So, yeah, crazy price action on this one today. I hope squeeze is not over for CEI. I mean, I hope not either, so you guys can keep printing. But based on experience and looking at this chart, it really does look like today was the last day of the squeeze. It does look like this has been squoze. Maybe not. But, yeah. Personally, to me, it's looking really bearish. I think it's going timber from here. Timber. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Busybone, I'm out 19k profits. Good luck, lads. Awesome. Fat gains there. Congratulations, Busybone. Yeah, very happy for you, man. Congratulations. There is no short button on Webull for CEI. What do you mean there's no short button? Do we have some like GameStop situation going on where they literally disabled the button, or they just have no shares? What do you mean, Marvin? There's no short button. You're kind of making it sound like they disabled it, like Robinhood did with GME. In that case, you know, it's rigged. Average of 86 cents. Damn. So, all right. So sold at 225 and 3, something after the crash. So yeah, damn, Busybone. It sounds like you left a lot of money on the table because it ran up to 5. But hey, 19k profit. That's still some really, really fat tendies. Still over a 100 and 200% gain. Kind of sounds like a 250% gain there. So hey, really can't complain. Those are fat tendies. Congratulations, dude. There is no short button. Like, literally no short button. Okay. That is a problem. That sounds really, really rigged. What the hell? Buy and sell, but not short. Isn't the sell button the short button? I don't know how it works on Webull, but I'm pretty sure the sell button is the short button, dude. It is on IBKR, at least. But you've shorted on Webull, so I'm sure there's actually no sell button then. Really weird. Bro couldn't sell because the halt crashed after halt. Yeah, I did see that. It halted, and then it halted multiple times, like right after the other. So unfortunately, that's just what happens with the price action. Yeah, that sucks. Sounds like you could have made a lot more money. But hey, Busybone, you really can't complain, dude. You're rolling in tendies today, so just enjoy it, dude. I know what you mean though. With these damn holds, sometimes you can't get the price you want. Sucks, but that's just how it goes. All right, so let's look at the watch list here, and let's move on to ATER. So CEI is still running in the aftermarket. And Grom is down to 358. So yeah, coming back to Earth. 356 now. ORN is up to 640, so maybe a will fill, hopefully. And PALT holding around 8. Alright, let's refresh the aftermarket action here. And let's get to ATER. So ENVB is starting to get some momentum here. I remember this stock, ENVB. So no news on this. It's just mooning on its own. So yeah, I don't think this one is going to hit, but I'm just going to set an order for $3 anyway, just in case. All right, and in goes the order for 3. Cool. Newegg is back at 13 bucks. You think Newegg entry at 13 or below? Let's look at Newegg. Damn. Honestly, I just hold off on this. It looks like it still has a long way to go to the downside. It's probably gonna go lower than 13 low roller, so I wouldn't go for 13. It's probably going lower than that. I can't say how low either, but probably going lower than that. Now on Webull, you have a buy, sell, and a short button. Weird, I know. Yeah, it kind of sounds a little rigged right now. They literally disabled the short button. Can't do that. Sounds like some Robinhood stuff there. I don't trust Webull anymore after you saying that. All right, ATER. $9 on Newegg. The ape love Newegg. $9 seems like a pretty reasonable price. I could support that, but again, I don't know how low it's gonna go. Okay, here is ATER Aterian. This finishes at $9.96 today. That is down 12.4%. Webull is China privately owned. Ruh-roh. So they're spying on us through Webull. So here's yet again another meme stock that has been trending the past couple of weeks. We've discussed this one a lot lately. And today we get some more major price action. And it was trending again. Top 10 on StockTwits. So we're talking about it again. So no specific news or anything to justify this price action. So just a bunch of ape stuff going on here, I'm assuming. Looks like a lot of apes are selling and moving on to some other meme stocks, like CEI. And just a bunch of shorts coming in again, reshorting here. So the past couple of shows, I said that this is no longer just a meme stock. This is a legit meme stock now, because now the institutional money is starting to come in. And we have a bull flag here. Looks like a pretty big bull flag. So I didn't think it would pull back this much. I did think there would be more support, but I still am bullish on this stock. Based on the TA here and based on the institutional money that is coming in. Because, now the institutions have their money in here. They're not going to let the price go down that much. So I would not expect this to go into free fall or anything. I do expect this to catch some support pretty soon. So let's analyze this. Webull doesn't have crypto wallet. Dogecoin community need pressure Webull to get wallet next. They should be adding it pretty soon. If Robinhood did it, then Webull should be doing it soon. China owned the majority property in USA anyway. That is true. A lot of, not the government, but well, the government too, but mostly individuals, homeowners. Webull locate from USA. It is probably owned Asian American. I really don't know what's up with Webull. But it sounds real sketchy. I know a lot of people said that they are kind of shady in terms of like regulation and stuff. All right. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 1045 and 950. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1045, 1190, 1335, 1485, 1660, 1830, 1970, 2180, 23, 24, 2560, 2680, 2875, 3025, 32, 3280, 3430, or excuse me, 3415, 3690, excuse me, 3590, 3710, 3835, 3970, 41, 4215, 43, 44, 45, 4650, 4765, and then the high of 49. Damn, I cannot even zoom in here. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 950, 870, 795, 745, 7 dollars, 560, $4, and then the low of $3. So right now at this current price, $9.96, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 49, so pretty average there. So according to the RSI, this current price of $10 is around fair market value. And this did 18 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So like I said, this looks like a bull flag to me. But I did not think it would pull back this much. So this hasn't caught any support just yet, so this may keep running to the downside a little bit more in the short term, but I really don't think it should run too much more to the downside. Like I said earlier, there's now institutional money in this stock, and they're not going to let this free fall. So I am still bullish on this stock. Really, the only indicator we have is the bull flag. The other indicators are pretty neutral. So, no bearish indicators. one bullish indicator, and the rest are neutral. So yeah, not too much TA to go off of here, but I do think the bull flag does hold a lot of weight. So I think in the short term, this should pull back a little bit more until it finds some support. Can't say how far it's going to pull back, but it should pull back a little more. And then I think in the longer term, this should consolidate and break out again eventually. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, couldn't blame you if you want to take a position here at $10. 10 is really not a bad price. But like I said, I think this will pull back a little bit more. So if you hold off, you should be able to get a slightly better price. But if you want to go for it at 10 right here, can't blame you. I would support that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I don't recommend that. It should go back down a little bit, so you should be able to make some money, but I just think the risk is not worth the reward here. This is a meme stock. The apes still really, really like this one, and even the institutions like it now. So, going short is pretty risky. You could easily get squeezed out under the right conditions. And like I said, it's not going to go too much further to the downside, so shorting here would be a high risk, low reward play. Doesn't make too much sense. So yeah, I would not encourage that. So sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today and the past couple of weeks. Hang in there. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ATER Aterian. FAMI looking like it really wants to break 4. And SPE. And Virgin Galactic. Well, let's take a look here. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is running. It's like up 10%. Interesting. What's going on there? And yeah, and FAMI is up 10% also. Holy crap. Got some aftermarket runners here. So if we refresh this. And also RKLB is also running. That's a popular meme stock. Yeah, FAMI is up like 15% right now. Almost. In the aftermarket, so. Yeah, I don't know, guys. It could be the next meme stock. Alright, what's the next one? Lucid. So here is LCID Lucid. This finishes at $26.28 today. That is up 7.09%. Okay, so here's another meme stock that the apes really, really like. This one I would consider in the legit meme stock category, not just a pump and dump meme stock. This one has been trending a lot the past couple of weeks. Not as much as some other meme stocks like CEI and ATER. But this one does have some pretty strong momentum behind this lately. And yesterday we got some really big news on Lucid, so let's take a look at that. What's up, Matt Simmered? Thanks for being here, man. I asked you about FAMI 2 weeks ago. You said it looked bullish. Good call. Well, honestly, dude, I do not even remember that. but yeah, dude, Glad you were you in there? Sounds like you made a play. But yeah, hope you made the tendies, dude. Glad I could help out. And welcome back to the show. I own Lucid at $18. Hope it's short squeeze. Well, 18, so you're already in. Damn, that's near the bottom. That's near the bottom, low roller. So very good entry there. Yeah, I mean it should come back to 50. It should come back to 50 at least. So yeah, congratulations on the gain so far. And if you hold, I'm not so sure about a short squeeze, but this should come back up to 50 eventually. So it looks like a good long-term play. Folks, I'm seriously going to go long on FAMI. Well, go ahead, Marvin. I mean, no one's stopping you. Honestly, it does look kind of bullish. Not financial advice, but it is doing some pretty weird stuff right now. FAMI is new Dogecoin since it is under $1. Maybe not the next Dogecoin, but definitely next meme stock, or could be the next meme stock. Yes, pump my Lucid bags. Lucid bags, Marvin? You got bags? I thought you were, thought you got some gains here. I thought you got some tendies. What's your entry? What's your average, Marvin? Sad to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, bought 20 at... Yeah, bought at 20 cent. Floor, thank you. So, FAMI. Damn, 20 cent is literally like the bottom. 1950 is the bottom, so... Damn. Yeah, Matt, you literally caught the bottom there. So, did you sell yet, or are you still in there? But, yeah, you're up, really big right now. About 15%. Not 15%. 75%. And there's still a lot of upside potential. So, yeah, congratulations to you so far, and good luck to you in the future, man. Also move there, Matt. And Joe is in at 30. What's up, Joe? Joe is in at 30. So, still not a bad price. And so far, that's about, what? Almost a 15% gain? Well, it's actually at 38 now, not 34. But, yeah. So that would actually be a, what? That'd be a, 25% gain for Joe already. So, congratulations to Joe. Lucid is a long-term hold for me. It should be. It should be. You know, like I said, it's a legit meme stock. It's not just a pump and dump. So, I have no problem with you guys holding Lucid. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. Alright. Back to Lucid. Alright, what did I say last? I'm scared to hodl, but I think I am overnight. Honestly, Joe, this could be the next CEI. Not financial advice, not Lucid, but FAMI, FAMI. It's looking like the apes are piling in, and it looks pretty similar to CEI, so I'd be scared too, but it could pay off pretty big. So good luck to you, man, and everyone else in CEI right now. Not CEI, FAMI. Oh, we did have the news. The news, right. Okay, so it says that Lucid deliveries to start in late October, and they already have 13,000 orders. So that's pretty big news. You know, they've delayed deliveries already for a while now. At first, they were supposed to come out they were supposed to come out this year. Then they pushed it back to the middle of next year, 2022. And now we have a final delivery date which is October 2022. So it's been delayed, but it's finally, but production is finally starting. And we have 13,000 orders already. So yeah, really bullish news for Lucid. Great PR. So that probably had something to do with the run today. Maybe not all of it totally, but the good PR, the good news was definitely a factor in the run today. But nothing much else to say, so let's get right into some analysis here. So first of all, we have a gap down at 50.50. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us that this is likely to come back up to 50.50 eventually to fill this gap. And honestly, that may take a while. 50.50 is a long way to the upside, but that is very noteworthy. We should pay attention to that. Gap up at 50.50. And also, it looks like here we have a possible cup and handle. Top of the cup looks like it's 29. And the bottom appears to be 19. So if this is in fact a complete cup and handle, this should pull back to around, just some quick math off the top of my head, this should pull back to around 24 to complete the handle. Which it actually already did. And now it appears like it is consolidating, and eventually it should break out again. So yeah, we do have a complete cup and handle here. It topped out, the handle complete. Now it looks like we're in consolidation and breakout. So that currently is a bullish indicator. This should break out eventually after it's done consolidating. Well, CEI did start dumping when FAMI started moving up. Might be where the money went. Yeah, kind of sounds like it. Ape selling and piling in this new meme stock. Did FAMI peak $2 in meme stock round 1 in January? I don't know. Did it? $250 in February. So that's not really meme mania round 1. Busybone Lucid are doing another offering next year, according to CEO. That's not good. That's bearish. So they're gonna dilute the shares, but at least it's next year. So we still got a while before that happens. So nothing to be concerned about just yet in the short term. Marvin says, "Hold it, Matt and Joe. Don't sell. I'm about to buy in, so you can at least squeeze 1 more cent profit out of it before you sell." Sounds like a dip buying opportunity come next year. Yeah, when that happens, buy the dip. But like I said, in the short term, nothing to be too concerned about just yet. Marvin, I'm hodl. It's against my strategy, but I don't think FAMI is done. Hope I'm not wrong. Yeah, can't blame you, Joe. It seems like it's just starting. Oops. Seems like it's just starting. So, I agree. I usually don't hold for that long, but here it does look like it could pay off pretty big. So, hope that works out for you. Okay. And actually, this cup could be even deeper. Other possible tops of this cup could be is this? $35, $44, or $63. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. All of them would mean that this is currently a bullish indicator, because this cup might come back up to 35, 44, or 63 to complete the top of the cup here. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 2680 and 2530. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 2680, 2750, 2875, 3050, 3140, 3260, 3485, 3650, 3830, 3990, 4125, 4365, 5050, 5275, 5470, 5620, 5815, 6025, 6215, and then the high of 6486. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 2530, 2425, 2240, 2140, 2030, 1910, 1835, can't even zoom in here. 1715, 1610, 16, 16. Actually, I think it was just 16, not 1610. Yeah, 16. What's this? 1485, 1320, 990, and the low of 960. So right now with this current price, 26.28, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 63, so a little overvalued, but nothing to be too concerned about just yet. And this did 120 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So like I said earlier, we're getting a lot of bullish indicators here. we have the complete cup and handle at $29, which is now consolidating. So that's bullish. We have the possible cup and handles at what was it, 35, 44, and 63. So those are also bullish indicators. And not too many bearish indicators except the pretty high RSI and volume. But yeah, I think this looks pretty bullish right now. You know, the bottom was around 19, so you already missed some fat tendies. But we're talking long term, this has a lot of upside potential. Like I said, Lucid is a legit company. It's not just a meme stock anymore. It's a legit meme stock. A lot of apes like it, and it should have a pretty good future. So this is a long-term hold right here. This is a long-term growth hodl here. Eventually, it should come back up to at least 550 to fill the cup. And it should come back to 63 to complete. Excuse me. It should come back to 550 eventually to fill this gap here. And eventually, it should come back up to 63 to complete the top of the cup. And eventually, it should blow past that to a new all-time high. So short term, this may not move that much, but I don't expect it to go down that much. So you shouldn't be, so I don't think there's any real risk short term, not that much at least. And long term, this has a lot of upside potential. So yeah, I would support going long here, as long as you're willing to hodl. Long term. 26, 28 is not the greatest entry, but still, if you're thinking long term, this is actually a pretty good price. So yeah, I would support going long here. Seems like a pretty good play in the long term. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I would not recommend that. Like I said, there's not too much downside potential here. Maybe it'll go down a little bit, but I really don't expect it to go down that much. And there is a lot of upside potential. A lot of bullish indicators and the strong social media sentiment. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play. There's not too much money to be made, and there's a lot of risk of getting squeezed out. So it doesn't seem too logical, doesn't seem too smart. I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. However, if for whatever reason this does come back down to $19, then I would say that would be an excellent time to load up. Well, going long, actually. Yeah, going long. Should have said that before. Oh, well. So, congratulations to everyone who made money in this one today. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is LCID Lucid. You guys watch Bulldog Trading YouTubers. I get all the stock new information for new stock to buy. I don't know what Bulldog Trading is. Is that a channel? Never heard of it. But good to know. Low roller. The media is already dropping articles on FAMI involving that dark word, Reddit. Uh-oh. Yeah, so they're trying to demonize the degenerates, the apes here. So, it's just building more hype. It really is just building more hype. This really could be the next squeeze. And we all know the famous street on there. Yep. It can't be posted in Wall Street Bets. Market cap too small. Oh, that's right. That's right. Don't forget to play Powerball tonight, worth $570 million. Yeah, I wouldn't mind spending $2, but, you know, the chances of you winning, slim to none. You're probably better off buying FDs than the lottery ticket. But yeah, why not? I'll put $2 on it. No thanks. The Powerball every day in a Webull account. Yeah, we play lottery every day. Pretty much. Bulldog trading live stream 24/7. Stock and crypto. Wow. I gotta check it out sometime. But yeah, good to know. How do they do 24-hour trading? That's a lot. Alright, guys, so we got through 3 of them here. Now we just got NAKD and FAMI next. You can win second place. Prize is $1 million. That's not too bad. But still pretty hard to win. So you gotta hit, what, 4 numbers there? Or 5 without the Powerball? Damn, SNOA is down to 590 here. Grom down to 348. Very nice, very nice. Alright, guys, so let's refresh the aftermarket page here, and then let's move on to NAKD and FAMI. Yeah, Virgin Galactic is mooning here. Alright, NAKD. Okay, so here is NAKD. Okay, so here is NAKD, NAKD brand. This finishes at 71.64 cents today. That is down 10.45%. Forgot which memes I used, so I'm just going to use all of them. So here's yet again another meme stock that we've been covering a lot. This stock hasn't been as popular as some other meme stocks like CEI and ATER. But the apes have been on this one lately. This has been trending for about a week now. And today, it was still top 10 on StockTwits. So, it's worth talking about. Is there a gap here? There is a gap here. So in the previous shows, I said that it looks like we have a cup and handle here. Top of the cup was around 95 cents. Like 94.5 cents. And it looks like the bottom is around 46.5 cents. So 94.5 and let me see here actually. 47. Let's call it 47. Yeah, and it appears like the bottom is around 47 cents. So let me do some quick math here. This is 94. $47. 2.5. $69. So just some quick math off the top of my head. If this is in fact a cup and handle, this should pull back to around 69 cents. Nice. For the handle to complete. And actually, it already has. But we do have a gap up at 63 cents. So that is currently a bearish indicator that is telling us that this should come back down to 63 cents eventually to fill this gap. And that's probably going to happen in the short term. So this already did pull back enough to form a handle, but I do think it's going to pull back a little more to fill this gap here at 63 cents. Other than that, this is part of a larger cup and handle where the top of the cup could be 340. $185. 1 second, guys. All right, my bad. So yeah, the top of the cup could be 340. Could be 185. Could be 140 or it could be 105. But it doesn't really matter where the top of the cup is. All of those are currently bullish indicators. Got another one? The hell is this? All right, my bad, guys. I don't know why all these sirens are coming at once. I saw Dogecoin live trading on YouTube. The channel call Tame the Ark. They talk about Dogecoin 24/7 chart. These people doesn't sleep at all. Live commentary about Dogecoin and crypto. Yeah, 24/7. Unless they take turns, how the hell do you do it 24/7? They really don't sleep at all, huh? Besides, I live in Alabama. We do not have Powerball here. That's true. It's like an East Coast thing, Powerball. Alabama doesn't have lottery. Your state needs lottery so it can make tax revenue. That is true. You know, the way they advertise it. We're helping the kids with their education. But really, they're just scamming poor people out of out of their hard-earned money. All states should have lottery. Yeah, I agree, but we shouldn't really endorse gambling, right? Although we do it here every day. Okay, so support and resistance. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 73 cents, and 66 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 73 cents, 82 cents, 88 cents, 95 cents, 105, what is this? 111, 117, 124, 132, 138, 145, 156, 164, 186, 225, and then the high of 340. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 66 cents, 60 cents, 56 cents, 47 cents, damn, this is too much. I can't even zoom in here. 47, 41 cents, 34 cents, 30 cents, 'Yeah, let's just say the low of 30 cents. And then 30 cents. And there is some support below 30 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. Shouldn't be too relevant. So right now at this current price, 72 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 164 to the upside, the channel starts to get pretty wide, so expect a significant increase in price action if/when this comes back up to 164. The RSI is currently at 58, so a little bit above average, but nothing to be too concerned about. And this did 237 million in volume today. Very significant volume, so this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. We only endorse smarter gambling here? Damn right. I play lottery for fun, wouldn't go crazy gambling entire life savings. Well, that's the way it should be done, you know? Gambling in moderation. You shouldn't blow all your money, but unfortunately a lot of people do. They have no self-control. Some people are lucky lottery. They won multiple times. Yeah, I don't know how you win multiple times. I can't even win once. All right. So, as I previously mentioned, I think this will pull back to 63 cents at least to fill the gap before this runs to the upside. So I think in the short term, this looks bearish. But as soon as that gap fills at 63, I think in the longer term, this looks pretty bullish. 72 cents is still a pretty good entry. Not the best, because you already missed out on the low of like 45. But that's still a pretty good price. But again, it should come back down to 63. So if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would hold off till 63 at least. And then you can load up. And if it dips below 63, then you can just load up. Then you can just average down at the supports that I mentioned here. But yeah, going long in the long term. But yeah, long term, this does look really bullish. This does look pretty bullish. So I would support going long at 63 or lower, at 63 cents or lower, as long as you're willing to hold for the long term. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, doesn't seem like that great of a play. It's an okay play. It should come back down to at least 63 cents, like I said before. So from here, that's a little over a 10% gain. So there is some money to be made here. But I really don't think the risk is worth the reward. You can potentially make 10% at the expense of potentially getting squeezed out. Not worth it if you ask me. You know, that would be a high risk, medium reward play. I just don't think it's worth it in this situation. So I would not do that, and I don't recommend that. If you were to go short here, there's a good chance this runs to the upside, and you lose a good amount of money here. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Hang in there, and good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is NAKD, Naked Brand. CEI is 371, so it's still running, huh? Incredible. Alright, let's check again. So things are stabling out here. So, yeah, sorry guys, been talking a lot. We got one more. FAMI, which a bunch of you guys probably want to hear anyway. No support and resistance, though, so it should go by pretty quick. And then we'll get to our Yolos, which should be pretty fun today. Okay, so CNTG. CNTG is up right now. What is CNTG? Marvin, I'm not going to personally go long on Naked, but it does look like a pretty good play right here. CNTG. Okay, so they published a study. I don't know. It's all PR. Anyway, so what's this at right now? Oh, this is low float. This is very low float. Okay. 12.50. $11. Huh. Sorry guys, I'm trying to attempt to make a live Rainbow Bear play right here. $13.75. All right, I'm gonna put in for $13.75 here. I don't think I'm gonna get filled, but maybe. You never know. So CNTG. And sell. $13.75. And the order is going in. Okay, order is in. RCG is mooning right now. RCG is up 38%. All right, last one, guys. FAMI. Oops. Okay, here is FAMI Farmmi. This finishes at 34 cents today. That is up 41.25%. So, this might be the next meme stock. This might be the next squeeze. Don't know yet. This is just the beginning. But it appears like a lot of apes are taking their profits from CEI and now moving into this stock. It seems like the apes are starting to pile in on this stock. The apes really, really like this one.
We like the stock.
So I remember talking about this one briefly a couple of weeks ago. But this definitely was not up there on trending, in terms of trending. So today is the first day that this makes the top 10 on StockTwits. And it could be the first of many, hopefully. But yeah, we had some news on this, so let's take a look at that first. Okay, so it says the company announced the acquisition of Zhangbo. The company announced the acquisition of Shangbo for 70 million RMB. So that's pretty big news. They are acquiring another company for 70 million RMB, which I don't know how much that is in US dollars. But the main point here is that they're acquiring another company. So that's kind of weird because usually when a company acquires another company, their stock price isn't really affected. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't know why in the last 20 minutes all these sirens. People want to blast their sirens now. My bad. Let's continue. Alright. So that is a little bit weird, because usually when a company acquires another company, the acquiring company, their stock usually doesn't move. It's the acquired company that usually their stock starts to moon. So this doesn't really make too much sense. Not saying it doesn't happen, but it is a bit unusual. But anyway, that is really good news. That is really good PR. The apes liked it, piled in today, and caused a huge run, up 41%. And it's running in the aftermarket, which is a bullish indicator going into tomorrow. Usually when something is running in the aftermarket, that is a good sign it's going to keep running the following day. But let's jump right into this. Let's analyze. So we have multiple gaps here. We have a gap down at around 135. another gap down at around 78 cents. And another gap down at around 47 cents. So those are all bullish indicators. This stock should come back up eventually to fill all these gaps here. At 47, 78, and 135. Can't say how long that's going to take, but eventually all these gaps should fill. Right. Okay. Or in the case of Pfizer dumps it. Pfizer dumps what? 37 RMB equals 1,128 US dollars. Well, I'm not going to convert that, but good to know. Thanks for that, Team Crawford. SDPI is still getting bullish. We can take a look at that in a sec. Okay. And this may be part of a cup and handle here. Looks like a very ugly cup, but this could be a possible cup and handle. And there could be multiple tops, but the very top would be 226. So that is a bullish indicator that is telling us this may come back up to 220, call it 227. 227 to complete the top of the cup here. The RSI is currently at 54, so pretty average. And this did 17 million, and this did 776 million in volume today. Very, very significant volume, by far the biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this pump/squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So like I said earlier, there are a lot of bullish indicators here. Triple gap down, and a possible cup and handle. The RSI would be neutral, and the volume would be bearish. But there is overwhelmingly a lot more bullish indicators than neutral and bearish. So therefore, I'm bullish on this in the short term and on the long term. In the short term and in the long term. So this current price, 34 cents, isn't exactly the best entry. You already missed a lot of attendees here, the bottom being around 20 cents. But it's still a pretty good price. It may not come down from here. So I certainly wouldn't blame you. So I would not mind if you guys wanted to buy in here at 34 cents. There's a lot of upside potential and a lot of attendees to be made. And maybe it'll pull back a little bit, but again, there's no guarantee. So, yeah, there's really no problem with going long right here at this price, 34 cents. I would support that. That would be going long here would be a low risk, high reward play. There's not too much downside potential. It shouldn't go down that much. So you shouldn't lose too much money if you're long here. And like I said, a lot of upside potential. So yeah, going long here looks like a good play to me. I would support it. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I don't recommend that. Like I just said, not too much downside potential and a lot of upside potential. So going short here would be a high risk, low reward play because there's not too much money to be made to the downside and you're putting yourself at risk of getting squeezed out. So that's not too smart, not too logical. I would not do that, and I don't recommend that. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. And who knows, maybe this is the start of something big. Maybe this is the start of a squeeze. So we'll have to see what happens. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is FAMI Farmmi. What's up, Iron Man fan? That's a New York thing. Surprised you said that. 1128. What's 1128? Oh, 1120. All right, so that's how much it would. That's the conversion. All right. Pfizer dumped when it acquired a company recently. I remember because I had calls on Pfizer when it dumped. Well, good. I did not know that. But yeah, this is at 37 right now in the aftermarket. I bought the dip today for CEI at 389, 200 shares, and sold 100 at 470, and then 100 shares sold 431 before the first halt. All right, Iron Man. So it sounds like you made some pretty good money there today. Yeah, you not the greatest entry, but you sold near the relative highs. So that would be like 10 to 20% there. So awesome, dude. Congratulations on your gains. Very happy. Alright guys, so that is all the analysis for today. Took a little longer than I wanted. A lot of talking, so I appreciate you guys for sticking around. And, yeah, this should be fun from here. We're going to get to the Yolos. But yeah, guys, thank you a lot for staying for so long. As always. And for everyone who came in late, could you please hit the like button? I would appreciate that. Thank you. Alright, so we'll just take a look at this one more time before we head into the Yolos. Everything looks good here. All right. Let's refresh. And ORPX. ORPX, Virgin Galactic, and Dole are mooning in the aftermarkets here. Why is Virgin Galactic mooning? And Dole. Let's check it out. Oh, okay. So Virgin Galactic is clear to fly after their FAA grounding. Okay. Not mooning that much though. Okay, so give me 1 second, guys. Oops. Let me pull up the Yolos here. Terrence Crawford or Earl Spence Jr. I have no idea who those are. Boxer? I don't watch boxing. Alright, so we're still loading here. So let's just give this a second, and we'll get started. Why is it still loading? It's taking so long. Alright, there we go. So as soon as I stop lagging, we'll get started. Alright, there we go. Alright, so today we have a few general ones, some fun ones. Oh, this one got deleted. Damn. That sucks. AMC. What's this one? Virgin Galactic and Skills. So yeah, one of them got deleted. That sucks. But yeah, we still have a few good ones here. So let's do it, guys. Should be fun. So this first one is by Master Locks. They say markets are rational, in quotes. Markets are rational. And here we have the top performing fund managers. So I recognize a few people here. This is Bill Ackman. And this is Carl Icahn. And here is Steve Cohen. That's the owner of the Mets. Screw that guy. He was heavily involved with GME. I will never go to a Mets game again because of this freaking guy. The new owner of the Mets. And I hate how he tweets like about his team. He yells at he calls out his team publicly on Twitter. Anyway, I'm getting carried away. F that guy. But yeah, we got those. I don't know who this guy is. This is Michael Burry. This is Michael Burry. I don't know who this old guy is. But here we have Nancy Pelosi. And here we have the hamster. The stock picking hamster. So, yeah, I thought this was pretty funny. You have the actual big shots. The whales here. Then you got Nancy Pelosi. You know, people joke about her. Well, let me give her the donkey. For the Democrats. Yeah, for those of you guys who don't know, she's on this list because apparently if you just follow her trades, her husband trades for her, I think. But if you follow her trades, she is heavily outperforming the S&P 500. So, insider trading much? Obviously, but she's not going to get in trouble. And then we have the hamster, which apparently returns 16% annually, which is better than SPY. So, yeah, I thought this was pretty funny. Alright, moving on. This one is by Tersiv. And we just have a meme here. He says, Jay Powell wants to know your wife's location. And we see here, feeling cute might F up your puts later. I don't know. So, you know, they're making fun of those girls that go, feeling cute, might take it down later. I don't know. Yeah, so Jay Powell's feeling cute right here. Might F your puts later. This is pretty funny. Yeah, when he talks, he's going to F your puts. I'm putting my money on the hamster. I mean, it's a joke, but actually, if you put your money on the hamster, you'd be outperforming the S&P 500. The hamster has a 16% return rate this year. That's pretty damn good. So yeah, actually going with the hamster is not such a bad idea. But yeah, Jay Powell here. Feeling cute, might F your puts later. I thought this was pretty funny too. Had some pretty good memes today. But yeah, those are just the memes. Now let's get on to some actual plays. Oh, yeah, this one got deleted. Well, this one was about, I don't even remember what this was about. But I think this was a pretty good one, but it got deleted. That's pretty unfortunate. So we'll have to skip this. So we got 3 more here. This one is by Water Lemon Ice Cream. They say, any advices? I'm kind of losing it. Lost hope. But I'm still holding. Alright, so here we have 16 calls for AMC expiring January 21st, 2022. So this is a leaps at the $95 strike. So this was a 6.3K YOLO, $6,300 YOLO, and right now he's down $3,100, down 49%. All right. So yeah, this play ain't the best. I mean, I can kind of see it. I think this was just a case of FOMO and choosing a really bad expiration here, or bad strike. So yeah, AMC $95, possible but pretty unlikely. At least this isn't an FD, you know. This expires in less than 4 months, so maybe in that time we'll get a meme mania round 3, and this could work out. Don't count on it though. But yeah, overall, pretty bad play here. Bad strike. I like the expiration, but this is FOMO, so not the worst, but still pretty bad. And yeah, AMC is at what currently? $35. So yeah, AMC is currently at 35. So $95 in less than 4 months looks really, really, really unlikely. Literally, you need Jesus. You need me mini around 3. No way this is going to finish in the money. Unless, you know, you get lucky. So at this point, very unfortunate, but I think you got to cut here. You know, there's really no point in even holding this, because this is just so far out of the money. The only reason you can justify holding this is because you think meme mania round 3 is going to come around, and the chances of that, pretty unlikely. So you still have 50% of equity here. That's a lot of money, over 3K, a lot of money, dude. No need to chuck that, you know. Save it, move on, live another day. I mean, I guess you can hold because there is still a lot of time left, but at this point, I really don't think it's going to help that much. I would just cut it here before you lose more money. So you either lose it now or you lose it later. So I think losing it now is better because you save some money. But yeah, water, lemon, ice cream. Thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. Not over yet, but really not looking great. Yeah, dude, I really don't like this play. Bad strike. Good expiration, but bad timing. This was FOMO. So yeah, overall, pretty bad play here, and it's not working out. Down 50%. And yeah, dude, at this point, I think the best play is to cut this and move on. Because if you don't, it's most likely going to zero. Most likely going to finish out of the money. So I think the best play is to just cut it here, save as much money as you can, and move on. Sucks, but at this point, what can you do? So thanks for posting. Great content. Good luck to you, and please post updates. 1 second, guys. Got this loud-ass fire truck coming down the street right here. Alright, my bad, guys. I don't know why at the end of the show, all these sirens decide to come now. Oh, I guess we have another one. Okay. Is it over? I think so. Why I feel like we're going to be wanting a minute, but AMC C95. Why I feel like we're waiting. Why I feel like we're going to be wanting a minute before AMC C95. Waiting a minute? Yeah. It may not ever go there. I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't. But yeah, 95, that's a bit of a stretch from this current price. SDPI drilling up. SDPI drilling up. Yeah, this is... What is going on here? SDPI. Why was this not mentioned? Why was this not on the watch list here? Unless it just started. It's not even showing up here. On the aftermarket action. That is very weird. But thanks for pointing that out, Team Crawford. Looks like we're going to have to go for it. 160. Let's see. I'm going to go for it, guys. I'm going to go for it. Actually, it's still going to leg up. It looks like it still has a chance to go up here. Damn, yeah, it's up 130. Huh. Yeah, I don't know why this didn't show up on the list there, but I'm in this one. This is nuts. You know, guys, I'm probably just going to take it. I don't know. It looks like it's going to leg up again right here. It looks like it's both lagging. Are there even shares? Let me see if there's even shares for this. There are no shares. So you know what? I'm going to just put in for... I'm just going to keep this at $2. And maybe I'll get filled. Yeah, so I put it in the order for $2. No shares right now, but hopefully I get filled. But yeah, SDPI is up 130% right now. Insane. Meme mania in this market? No way. Yeah, maybe not, but you know, it's super irrational. Damn, it just went down at 2. Come on, give me my shares. Looks like it's going timber. Damn it! Why didn't you give me my shares? I could have been printing right now. Ugh. Hopefully it goes back up and I get filled there. CEI pumping again. I feel like it is under the radar. SDPI, you talking about, Team Crawford? Definitely. I saw this earlier. But this is squeezing in the aftermarket here. What's up, Monero? Thanks for your video. FAMI? No problem, dude. You're welcome. Surprised you're still here. But thanks, dude. Thanks for being here. We're gonna finish up here pretty soon. Alright, this one is by OCC Option Player. OCC Option Player. They say, did I do this right? Alright. So here we have 19 calls for Virgin Galactic. expiring October 15th. So a couple weeks here. A little over 2 weeks at the $50 strike. So this was approximately a $5,050 YOLO. And right now he's down $5,000, down 99%. HTB for SDPI. What's HTB? Anyway. Virgin Galactic. 20. Call it 25. So yeah, Virgin Galactic is currently at 25. So this needs a 100% increase in value in 2 weeks for this to go in the money. I mean, yeah, at this point, I don't know. I mean, I guess you should cut, right? It's really not too much money. You're down over 99%. Still $38 in value here. I mean, that's something. So I guess you just got to cut it, right? Because if you don't, it's going to go to zero. So I guess you just take it out and buy yourself a nice dinner with that, you know? You can eat your feelings away. Make it feel a little better. But yeah, overall, pretty bad play here, all around. Bad strike, bad expiration. This is an FD, and it seems like it was poorly timed. So, yeah, all around pretty bad. Nothing really great about this one at all. So, did I do this right? Yeah, actually. You are a crayon-eating ape. You did do it correct, yes. This is how you YOLO all your money on FDs. This is how you chuck your money on FDs here. So, yes, you did do it right. In the name of Wall Street Bets content. Now, did you do it right in terms of making profit? Absolutely not. This was pretty dumb. And yeah, dude, at this point, there's really not much you can do except take your $40 here. So this is a total loss. Nothing much else to say about this one. So, OCC option player, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. It's not over just yet, but it's pretty much over. Yeah, dude. No, you're not doing this right. This was really, really bad. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing, so all around really bad play. And, yeah, the results show. Down 100%, or 99.25%. So, yeah, dude, I certainly hope you learn from this. I hope you go with safer plays next time, because this was really, really ambitious. And if you do this again, you're probably going to end up losing more money. So in the future, may I suggest not going for FDs or going for safer FDs? Because this was pretty bad. Anyway, dude. Yeah, at this point, you should just cut. Because it's going to zero. Might as well take the money out. So, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Good luck to you, and please post updates. I first started watching SDPI earlier when I mentioned the sympathy from CEI. Maybe Zach Morris is trying to pump this one too. I recommend Chipotle. Well, you can probably get like 4 Chipotles, 4 meals at Chipotle, or 3 with guac. With $40, you can go to a restaurant, get yourself a nice steak or something. Eat your feelings away. And what's with Zach Morris pumping stuff? Is that a thing now? See the new Elon? Wannabe Elon? No, it's down to 190. Well, if there's shares later on, I'm definitely going for it. All right, low roller. We can get to that post after this one. Almost done here. All right, this one is by Zerdust. They say it was up 150% last month and didn't cash out. This is it. All right, so here we have 665 calls for skills at the $20 strike expiring October 15th. So a little more than 2 weeks out, about 2.5 weeks. So this was approximately a 9K YOLO, $9,000 YOLO, and right now he's down $69,000. Nice. Down 77.5%. So I'm pretty surprised here because he still has about $2,000 in value. $3 each, 665 calls, so yeah, still $2,000 in value here. So I'm pretty sure skills is at like 10. Yeah. Guess you finally know what type of bell he was talking about when he said he was saved by the bell. Well, if he's pumping, he's printing right now. How they can't find any fast food workers for $15 an hour. How much they pay McDonald's workers in your area? My area is 12. I think minimum wage in New York City is 17 now. So, yeah, I think it's 17. So, not bad for flipping burgers, if you ask me. $15 movement. Your wish come here. Why you are not working now? $15. That's actually not too bad, actually, for minimum wage. In some states, it's like 9, you know? So, I mean, you can't really live on that, but it's actually not too bad when you compare to other states. You know, some states, they get like half of that. Anyway, back to this. So, yeah, skills is at $10 right here. So, a 100% needed to the upside, 100% gain to the upside needed in 2.5 weeks for this to go in the money. So, this is looking really, really bad right here. Really, really bad. It's not going to happen. I'm sorry to say. It's not going to happen. And this is pretty surprising because this is still $2,000 in equity. That's a lot of money in equity still. Still has 23%, 22.5% in equity. I don't know how, because this is so far out of the money and no time left. This should be like down 90 or 95%. I don't know why it's only down 77.5%. But anyway, that's a good thing. Because, yeah, dude, just cash it out. Cash it out, cut the losses, cash it out. There is no other move here. Please don't hold this any longer. Every day you hold this, you're going to lose hundreds of dollars. There is no point in holding this at all. Absolutely zero. Like zero chance this goes in the money. So yeah, there's only one play here. And that is to cut the losses and move on. Still a lot of equity. Don't need to chuck that. But the play itself, this isn't too great. Bad strike, bad expiration, and it seems like FOMO, bad timing. So yeah, all around pretty bad. And it did not pay off. This is going to expire worthless. So yeah, not the greatest play here. I think it's 8 something here in Alabama. I don't know. It's been a while since I worked minimum wage. Yeah, like in Kentucky, like Middle America. Sorry about this damn fire truck, guys. Yeah, Middle America, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's really bad there. Kentucky, Alabama, stuff like that. everyone just pretty much works at Amazon because their minimum wage is so much higher than the actual minimum wage, the state minimum wage. Damn, $8, that's nothing. It's like 17 here in New York. That's literally double the minimum wage in Alabama. New York minimum wage should be at least $25. That'd be nice. New York City, I would agree, yeah. Because New York State, in a lot of places, it's not that expensive to live in, but New York City, for sure, should be at least 20. Alright, so, Zero Dust, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. Not over yet, but not looking great. In all likelihood, like 99.9% chance this is gonna finish out of the money. Worthless. And yeah, as for the play itself, I don't like it, dude. Bad expiration, bad strike, bad timing. So, overall, all around bad play. And yeah. As a result, there goes your money. So at this point, there's only one move, and that is to cut the losses. Still 2,000%. Still $2,000 here, which you should consider yourself lucky. It really shouldn't be worth this much. And the longer you hold this, you're gonna lose it all. You're probably gonna lose a couple $100 every day. So, yeah, dude, the only play here is to cut it. Unfortunately. So yeah, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Great content. Good luck to you, and please post updates. Alright, we got one more. And let's get out of here. Alabama should add lottery. They will create new jobs for opening a lot of gas stations. Yeah, that's true. And they could support their kids. For the education. Team Crawford, I went long on SDPI. No, I did not. I was trying to go short at 2. And I did not get filled. So, what's it at now? $191 or $197. I'm trying to get this at $2. So, I do not have a position right now. I'm trying to go short. I did not get the fill. So, I'm trying to get the fill right now. I would not go long right here. That is outrageous. Going long it when something is up 100%. No, I don't think you should go long here. Alright, last one. This is by King Boav. They say 120k loss in SDC. So I think this is straight up shares. No? Why does it say 120k loss? Oh, there's more pages here. Okay, yeah, so I guess there's a few plays here. Different accounts, I'm guessing. Alright, so three different accounts, yeah. This one is down 78k. This one is down 28k, and this one is down 15k. So yeah, all in all, 120k loss. At least it's not that bad because they're shares, you know? They're not options, they're not Yolos. So if he holds it long enough, it should come back up eventually. But yeah, this is pretty nasty. 120k. So this is why the diversification is good, guys. Please don't all-in YOLO on one thing, even if it's shares. Not a smart idea. Great example here. So yeah, this was a pretty good one. Thanks, Low Roller. CEI is 394? Really? Wow, yeah, it is pushing $4 again. So it still has some life in it. And PALT went up 130%. Yeah, I'm short on PALT currently. PALT. Oh, damn, it went up again? Damn, it went back up to 560. So I think I'm red on that now. Because I got in at like 850. Uh-oh. SDPI back down to 175. Yeah, that's going, Timber. Probably just going to cancel my order here. Unless, let me see, SDPI. No, there's no gap either, so. I'm actually going to try to. You know what? I'm going to do this later. We're at the end of the show. I don't know why I'm doing this now. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So let's quickly refresh our aftermarket action here. Did good time. We're going to finish before 7. I don't know why SDIP is not showing up on this list here. Oh, now it is. Now it is. Okay. So yeah, SDPI, I'm going to try to get some shares right now, but very difficult. There are no shares right now. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So, yeah, pretty good show. Pretty good show. A lot of people were in here early. Most people left, but thank you to everyone who stayed till the very end. Really appreciate you guys as always. You guys are the real MVPs. And yeah, thanks for the chat. Thanks for the interaction today. Was a good show. Alright, guys, so anything else before we get out of here? Questions, comments, concerns? Smile Direct, is it good reopening play? So should go back up. Yeah, and when Meme Mania comes around again, because that is a meme stock. But yeah, you know, it should come back up. So that one wasn't too bad. As long as you hold, that guy should be okay. You need subscribers, Bulldog Trading on YouTubers. You can see a lot of stocks are pumping. I'll check that out, Low Roller. Thanks for bringing FAMI to my attention. It's going to be a really good play. It looks like it. It certainly looks like it. I'm not going to go for it. But yeah, it seems like a lot of people in the community here are pretty bullish on FAMI. So yeah, personally, I'm not going to go for it. But good luck to all of you guys. Hope those print. And Naked. Yeah, Naked looks pretty good too. So yeah. You're welcome, Marvin. And to all the other apes. Good luck to you guys. Alright, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know. Diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.